In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter which is known as semantics. Semantics is the philosophical and scientific study of meaning. That how meaning is conveyed, interpreted, and constructed. Yesterday, our topic was about 7 types of meaning, and we discussed only in detail that was about conceptual meaning and also associative meaning. Today, our topic is the 3rd type of meaning, and that is social meaning. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about social meaning refers to the meaning conveyed by the piece of language about the context of its social use. It means that social meaning related to the situation, social meaning related to the context, and social meaning also related to the circumstances. And whenever we are talking about social meaning, sometimes we should be dialectical, or we recognize to be dialectical in meaning, because pronunciation as well as the understanding of words is necessary to know about even is being dialectical. Dialectical here means that because dialectical tells us about the regional and social origin of a speaker. And even the style is necessary when we are talking about social meaning. Because styles also tell us about, and it helps us, the social status of a person. The word and the use of in the context of that words, the regional context of the words, the local context. So that's why even the style of that word is necessary, that in which context that word has been used. However, we are talking about social meaning which is related to social circumstances and a situation. Now you will be thinking that how we can know about social meaning, that word has been used as a social meaning. Yes, social meaning even tells us about that person, about his particular kind of style, that which kind of language he has been used, standard, even non-standard language. For example, let me tell us about a word. We use the word horse, and another one is steam, and the third one is neck. Now, listeners and audience, you see this word horse. It is used generally. This is the general use, and everyone know about horse. It refers to an animal. But this steen also used to a horse. It refers to a horse. But this steen used only in poetry. On the other hand, when we are talking about neck, this neck is also referring to steed or horse, but it is slang. It means it is informal. We do not use it. And if someone uses it, so it is a slang word. So now you know the contextual use of this. Horse use it generally, and while this steed use in poetry. I'm using, for example, talk about home, house. Okay. Also tell us about, telling you about another word, that is abode, and habitate. Now, listeners and audience, you see, home. For example, if a person say, I'm going home, it means he is having his own home. If someone say, I'm going my house, it means he does not have his own home. He is living in some house where he is going to pay for it. He's giving the fare of it. And the third one is abode. And then habitat. Habitat is also referring to home and house, but it is used for the house of animals, the place where animals live, the shelter of animals. Even the abode are used. Abode is used. So, contextual use. Okay. Now, let me use 2-3 sentences that you know more about it. For example, if someone say, I ain't done it. I ain't done it. So I ain't done it, it refers to, for example, maybe refers to a black American who is underprivileged and uneducated. Why? Because of this sentence I know. If there is another sentence, for example, come on, yaar. So this yaar refers to a friend. One friend say to other, come on, yaar. So this is also referring to the social meaning. It means there are two friends. One friend calling other that go for party or for any other program. So he said, come on, yaar. Instead of saying the name to him, so he used the words yaar. In English language, we call it friend or buddy, etc. So this is called social meaning. So if you want to know about social meaning, so regional, social, and another dialect is important. Geographical, that you may take and derive meaning of it, like these words, yeah. If you are taking the understanding of social meaning, the use of meaning in a context, you may not understand this word because it's related to our Pashto language. In Pashto language, for example, when one person wants to meet another person, or he may not want to meet him, but he is just passing through that street, and there is another person, he is busy in some other task, and then he said it. For example, this is a word, khachare. And writing in English is khachari. So now if a person does not know the regional, geographical dialects of this, he will not understand it. What is meant by this khachari? Even for example in English, hello. This hello in English, it has little dictionary meaning. And it is referring to attract someone or to incline someone to an important point or any other talk. So hope that this topic is clear to you.